Hey there, students. This is Casey Lawrence, one of the current administrators at East Coast Christian University, and today I'm going to show you how to use MyChat and MyMessages. You can find both the MyChat and MyMessages right up here at the top of your screen. When you open up MyChat, on here on the left-hand side, this is where you'll be able to see any thread conversations that you are a part of. And over here to the left, when you click on this envelope, this will take you to the page where you can accept any pending invitations. You will not be able to participate in a group chat until you've accepted that invitation. Once you do, you'll see it pop up on the left-hand side, and then you can participate. So there's a few things that the group chats are typically used for. The first one is class participation. If you've missed a class online, when you watch the recorded sessions, then the instructors have you post some comments on the videos you saw inside of the group chat. This then becomes proof for the instructor, so that way they know that you've watched the video and they can give you your full class participation credit. Something else the MyChat is used for are weekly discussions. Some instructors enjoy being able to ask students questions and have them think about it throughout the week. Those are also done within the group chat. Finally, feel free to share any testimonies and revelations that you have inside the group chat. This speaks to both the students and the instructors. It's a really great way to bless them and encourage your fellow students as you go on here at the university. Closing out of that, if you open up MyMessages, this is a tool that allows you to send a direct message to anybody inside of CampusSis. What's great about the tool is it also simultaneously will send them an email. That way they get 2 notifications about your message. This is a great way to privately contact instructors if you have a specific question about the course that you don't necessarily want inside the group chat. So to send a message, you'll just click on the envelope down here. You can search the name of your instructor, so you can put in their last name, first name, and click search, and you'll be able to select them from the list. You'll add your subject and your message, and then you'll come to the bottom and click send message. It's as easy as that. So that's how you use MyChat and MyMessages. Hope that was helpful, and I hope you all have a great day.